This is a video tutorial on how to use the television here at Eagles Landing at our house. So here's the television in the living room. This tutorial will work for the TV in the living room as well as in the kitchen. Both of these TVs are connected to a device called an Apple TV, okay? And that is what we use for primary control of our televisions. Here is where the remote controls are for the TVs in the family room. This is the Apple TV controller. Come here, right here. This is the controller for the DVD player. If you want to watch a DVD video, right here is where the DVD player is, okay? So that's where you put in your DVD video and you control your functions of the DVD right here. See, we have stop, play, pause, your fast forward and your rewind buttons. That's all right there. But this is the controller for the Apple TV. Now, if you want to sit down to watch TV, first button you press is this button that looks like a television. You aim that at the TV and you press it for just a second and release. Then you'll see a red button come on the television. You'll also see a little white light come on. That's the Apple TV controller. You'll also see that this DVD player comes on. This also controls our sound system. And where it says the letter D in, that means digital signal in. So it's receiving the audio signal from the television. So you come to this screen here that looks like a menu. And you take your remote here and use your thumb just like you would on a mouse, and you can scroll up or down. You press menu and then scroll down, and you can look at all these different apps, just like apps on your smartphone, okay? So I'm gonna go, but the app to watch television is just right here. It says AT&T TV. Can you see that? AT&T TV. So you take your button and you, let me see if I can get closer, you can see this better. Take your thumb, scoot it over, highlight that AT&T TV, and this part of the remote here is called the touchpad, and press the touchpad just like you would click a mouse. And now, our TV provider, which is AT&T TV, comes up. Now it's going to come up on the last show or the last channel that was being watched, not the last show, but the last channel. Now, to select different channels, you're going to press the menu button. Press menu, and now you'll see on the screen where it says watch now. You want to take your thumb and scroll that blue line under where it says guide. Here, let me come up here a little closer so you can see it better. So it was on watch now. Scroll over to where it says guide. Once you're there, then click your touchpad, and this is going to show you a guide to all the channels. Now see where A&E is lit up? Take your thumb controller, scoot it over to where the shows are, and then you can scroll down and look at all the different shows that are here. So let's say you want to watch Shark Tank. Once you've found the show you want to watch, click your touchpad, and it now pulls up Shark Tank. Okay? If you don't want to watch that show, you want to change the channel, again, press menu, and now the menu comes up. Use your thumb to scroll down the different channels and see what, let's say you want to watch a show about people who build cabins in Maine, Maine Cabin Masters. Click that. Now Maine Cabin Masters comes up. Okay? The remote works the same way in the kitchen, and you'll find a remote that looks very much like this in the kitchen right underneath the television. If you have any questions at that point, I guess you'll just have to call me or text me, and hopefully you can reach me. But hopefully watch this video again. That will show you. Now, when you're finished, you're done watching TV and you want to turn it off, you're going to hold this button on the right that looks like a TV. You hold it until you see a message come up on the TV. See, it just came up. And it says sleep, and that's what you want to do. You want to sleep all devices, and you click the touchpad, and that shuts everything off. Okay, so that's how you do it.